Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 15 and let me share with you how to show battery percentage on the status bar in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll and find notifications and quick settings. Then let's tap on status bar, which is at the top, and right here we've got the battery percentage and battery style. Right now we've got the horizontal one applied, so we can tap on the battery percentage and we've got three different options. So we can hide it, we can show it inside the battery icon, so the option which is currently applied in my case, or outside the battery icon, and it is more visible right here. However, if we will change the battery style from horizontal to, for example, vertical, now we've got only one option, or actually two, so we can either turn on the percentage, which is next to the battery icon, or turn it off just by tapping on the switcher. So as you can see, the percentage strongly depends on the style. We can also choose the loop option, and the same situation, so we can either turn it on or off, or do not show it at all, and now we can either display the percentage itself or hide it, so we do not have any kind of indicator that will show us the battery percentage or battery level. So of course you have to choose the option which you like the most. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.